Eu gosto daquela frase que diz que a amizade é um amor que nunca morre. Por isso, eu te ofereço esta canção para lhe dizer que you've got a friend. Você tem uma amiga. When you're down in trouble and you need a helping hand and nothing's going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten it up even your darkest nights. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, baby, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you've got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. You've got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud, and soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. And ain't got to know that you've got a friend, 'cause people can be so cold, then hurt you and desert you. Oh, they take your soul if you let them. Oh yeah, but you don't need let them. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Oh baby, don't you know that winter, spring, summer, or fall, yeah, and all I've got to do is call, Lord, I'll be there, yes I will. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. Ain't it good to know that you've got a friend? Ain't it good to know that you've got a friend? Paz e bem. Deus te abençoe ricamente. A alegria do Senhor é a nossa força.